Hello friends, my name is Abu Bakr and you are watching Jankare TV. Nowadays there is paper currency, you all know that, but now it is time that we have digital currency. In today's video I will tell you some important and useful things about digital currency. I will also tell you some big personal things about cryptocurrency. So let's go to the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and click the bell icon to watch a good video. Then I will take you to the top of the laptop screen. Let me remind you again that if you have not subscribed to my channel, then be sure to subscribe to it and be sure to like this video. The like target of this video is 200. I hope you like the target soon. Today video will talk about the great financial reset that is coming and the important role XRP will play in this new system. We'll listen to what Christian Lagarde was the current sitting president of the European Central Bank and former managing director of the International Monetary Fund has to say. Why are you information? Times F was created in 1944 at the Bretton Woods Conference, which was where the leading countries of the world agreed that it would all peg their currency to the United States dollar, which was an order pegged to gold dust, meaning all those currencies were also pegged to gold, and that central bank those respective countries would exchange their dollar holding into gold with the official exchange rate of $35 per ounce. $35 per ounce. That who the United States dollar became the world reserve currency. Uncle President Nixon ended the international convertibility of the US dollar to gold in 1971 due to France reducing his dollar reserve and the financial strains of federal expenditures in Vietnam War. Why are we even talking about the Bretton Woods Conference, you asked? Because in this video with Mr. Judy Shelton was an economic advisor to President Donald Trump and whom he nominated as one of the 7 governors on the Federal Reserve Board. She says the following: I like the idea of a gold standard. It could be used in a very competitive currency where the point is, do you have a unified money system so that when you talk about the international marketplace, everyone is playing on a level monetary playing field? Now they mention cryptocurrency and she uses different terms. Level playing field, which has been used by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse on numerous occasions. On one of those occasions is during this can be seen to be right here when he says there has to be a level playing field. As for the cryptocurrency part, Christian Lagarde has started the phone in this interview right here. The role of the disputes, whether you call it crypto assets or currency or whatever, and is far from the Bitcoin that was pocket of yesterday, is clearly shocking the system. Now she is later seen at the same table with Brad Carleyhouse during a high-level conference under International Monetary System in Zurich, Switzerland. Notice she is not sitting there with the center of Ethereum, Vitalik Terran. Now there she is sitting there, and listen the speech of Charlie Lead, the creator of Litecoin. She is sitting there with the CEO character of Bitcoin Cash, Roger. There are, as he said, the creator of Finance Code. She is in fact sitting there with the CEO of Ripple, who was started on numerous occasions that they working on the adoption of XRP worldwide. Christian Lagarde and order be seen with the 7 Secretary of the Thursday of the United States, Steve Newton, on many different occasions. Stephen Minimuch can then be seen in photos with Mr. Judy Shelton, who Trump appointed to the Federal Reserve, as well as Carrick Phillips, who is now serving on the board of directors at Ripple. Specifications state that most recently created served as counselor to the Secretary of the Treasury, Steve Minimuch, where He overviewed domestic finance in the capacity he led policy development and regulatory reform on the financial system, where representing a dynamical collaboration of the regulation to an legal and properly tailored approach. Read the again. He worked with Steve Mnuchin on regulatory reform of the financial system. Is take us to a very interesting tweet which Brad House put out. It reads Steve Mnuchin at the World Economic Forum's 2020 say when asked about cryptocurrency there are benefits to cross-border payment system in lowering cost of consumer and business. We absolutely support companies working on this bread and as from himself it's crucial to apply the pragmatism to US regulation. Now the President of the United States Donald Trump has stated in 21-6 and I quote bringing back to the gold standard which would be very hard to do but boy would it be wonderful would have a standard on which to base our money. Now the person who me strongly support Mr. Beauty Shelter makes the arguments for the gold standard. She suggests that typing the dollar to the more or less fixed supply to previous metal would prevent the defect from conjuring money out of thin air. Second, Shelton agrees that a global monetary system threat to gold would prevent currency manipulation, thus putting trade on a fairer and more level playing field. Notice again the level playing field and mention will make America great again by making America's money great again. She wrote in the Journal of the Cato Institute. She conceived the Cherise Christie's the Federal Reserve of instantly printing money and thus the value of US dollar. Now let's take a look at Frank Guesta, a Canadian billionaire, has to say about the fiat currency. According to him, the introduce of zero interest rate and non-stop cash printing will devalue fiat currency like the US dollar in the euro, thereby causing a currency war which will result in a global financial rest. He believes that country will have no choice but to go back to gold. Prater's chief is another big critic of the Fed's continues quantitative easing, saying they now having no way out and that the US dollar will eventually become what is it really is and that is worth less and it has no intrinsic value as well. No, Peter's chief is a huge supporter of gold and he hates Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, Jim Ricketts is yet another individual and financial writer who believes a few entries will die out. He has written a book on matter titled The Death of Money, the Coming Collapse of the International Monetary System. He has also written a best-selling book called Currency Wars. So he agrees with the Canadian billionaire Frank Guesta that there will be currency wars gonna be US dollar will no longer be world reserve currency. Countries across the world are turning their back on the US dollar as a reliable means of reserve, exemplified by the Russian Central Bank, which sold almost of its US dollar to buy 274 ton of gold in 2018 alone. Record is also a huge support of gold, but believes Bitcoin will go to zero just like Peter's chief does. The article read following the Spanish report. The director of investment research at the World Gold Council has announced central bank appetite for gold is here to stay. The official purchases are expected to provide a stable base for the gold market long term, but how can the full commercial potential of the world booming gold industry be unlocked? The answer is simple: blockchain technology. Digitizing gold on the blockchain could hold the answer, providing a stable currency to receive heaven. Acid Christian Lagarde, the head of the IMF, declared late last year that all central banks should consider issuing their own digital currency, chemistry blocking as a financial service ministry. However, two IMF economists recently explored how the digital currency could be used by central bank to stimulate economic growth and counter a possible recession by implementing as a negative as US interest rate as a necessary. So the question arises whether blockchain based currency can truly serve consumer digitizing gone on the blockchain could hold the answer, providing a stable currency through a safe haven asset. The evaluation system would need to be backed by real assets of gold and silver, providing one-to-one valuation. The physical billions. The gold industry must adapt to join the fast-paced digital world to stay relevant. Today, a gold currency pegged to gold is the most suitable way to usher in a new area of stability to financial market. Now this basically brings me to this stop. If all these above mentioned individuals are right and the US dollar and fiat currencies do die out and central bank financially come through with their plans to create digital currency like China has mentioned are several occasions and then back it would go there well still need the cross-border selling tool right as a Brad Carley House famously stated before he said it does not matter if bank producing own tokens it still does not solve the cross-border payment settlement problem though still needed they were so need a mechanism to bridge those assets the institute the extract because dead breaking acid. So even if Bitcoin did go to zero, not have believed that XRP would still survive and thrive long term because it would actually be some a real time problem in the world. Now if Brad Garlic House is right and all these gold backed digital currency from digital different central banks are use XRP to sell internationally, that would mean that next IP is backed by gold just the same why our currency agreed to be pegged the US dollar are at the Bretton Woods conference which was an order backed by gold because the United States called to third of the entire wood reserve of the gold and which meant the central bank of those representative countries could exchange to dollar holding into gold at the official exchange rate of $35 per ounce. This is an order meant they were pegged to gold since the world backed by a gold backed dollar. This lead me to believe the XRP could indeed become a gold backed world reserve currency whether or not to what happened I have not the slightest clue but I would definitely support that year as XRP it is very secure each person in the world can only ever own topics hour pay per person if we get them to be into detail it much less than that. XRP has a hard cap of 100 billion units unlike gold that can produce unlike gold which can be produced for centuries on end and it also have a burn rate that increase and as curiously when time in additional to that it can be moved around the world in the 3 seconds and at the fraction of the penny practically for the free. Basically it's transparent when it comes to regulation. It is not the private privacy gone like Monero that want to hide transaction from the government and it does not seek to destroy bank in the banking system like Bitcoin. In other words it means all the requirement to be a gold backward reserve currency. So if it were indeed back to good gold like the US dollar was one spin which meant it could be redeemed for price of gold per ounce. The time of $35 does the means that the price of extracting XRP would be worth whatever the price of the gold is per ounce, which is the $7,000 per ounce today. And if Jim Vakich is right and gold does $10,000 to $50,000 per one on per ounce day, does that mean extra people be worth the same price? I have no idea. All I can say what the absolutely certainly is that the price of XRP would be much higher than it's today due to have an increased demand internationally and the decreasing supply. And last but definitely no least, best selling and other of Rich Dad Poor Dad Reward Kiyosaki his management.